It's very convenient and it works all the time, guys. What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. Welcome back to another food hack. And in this video, we're gonna be focusing specifically on chips. What do you got over there, SB?
I got some hot Cheetos and Takis.
Your favorite type of chips, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Look, I got a smaller bag of hot Cheetos extra right here, and these have more flavor than this big bag.
I gotta disagree.
Well, no matter what type of chips you guys like or what type of chips you guys eat, we're gonna be showing you guys some hacks that will come in handy next time you have a gathering with your family at a party or you're just eating chips alone with your friends. These hacks are super awesome and you guys are gonna enjoy them.
Of course you guys are gonna enjoy them, man. Look at these chips, hot Cheetos, Takis, Ruffles, Flaming Hot. I never seen these, but they look pretty good. Anything that has Flaming Hot is good, huh?
Of course, but do you see a trend with all these chips?
They're all Flaming Hot.
Hey, we couldn't
Spicy.
be more Mexican, right?
Yeah.
We love spicy stuff, guys. So all the chips that we have here are spicy. So if you don't like those, don't think that these hacks won't work for non-spicy chips, because these hacks will work for any type of chips. Anyway, guys, let's get started with these hacks. Before we begin, let's make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel with the bell notifications turned on. Hit that thumbs up button. Let me see yours.
Blow, blow.
And check it out. Right here I have a family size bag, guys. These types of bags are mainly for parties and gatherings. Well, a good hack for this would be the following. You're gonna need a large 2-liter bottle like this right here. This one is empty, of course. First thing we're gonna do is remove the label because it'll just get in the way. So with a blade, I'm gonna cut it and peel it off. And of course I rinsed it so it's wet inside, and we're gonna have to dry it up once we get to the inside. So we're gonna start cutting this, guys. So with a blade, cut around it, just like this. Might not be the perfect cut, but make sure you slice it into 2 pieces. Not perfect, but it'll do. Like I said, it's wet, so I'm gonna dry it. And you guys try to be careful with the edges because they can be sharp. But this will do for now. Let's do the same to this. Next up, we're gonna open up the bag of chips. So let's say this is for a party. Well, instead of buying bowls, just use one of these. And no, we're not gonna pour these in there. What we're gonna do is the following. We're gonna put the bag inside. So the whole bag goes inside. The trick here is not to crush the chips, because otherwise you'll be messing up the chips for everybody. At this point, it should look like this, guys. And then all you do is wrap the bag around the bottle. And that is it, guys. Now you'll be able to share your chips among your friends and family. And look how cool that looks. You just grab a chip and eat it. It looks pretty cool, right, guys? Well, let's say you do this and then all the chips are not eaten at the party. And the good way to seal it, just do the following. Get the other piece with the bottle cap, untwist the cap, place the end of the bag through the other end, just like this. As long as a small piece sticks out, just put the cap over it and twist it, and it should seal up. So look at that, guys. Now your chips will be more preserved and they'll stay fresh longer. Right here I have a can of Lay's chips. These were $1, but here's the thing. A good way to enjoy these is with dip, which I have right here, a little cup of cheese. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna open it so you guys can see that there's some chips in there. Next, what I'm gonna do, guys, above the label, I'm gonna start cutting. Now I'm gonna cut pretty much all the way around, but I will not be cutting off the top completely, guys. So if you're doing this, please do not cut it off completely. Just cut it to the point where you can fold it back. Just like this, guys. So now fold it back. Look how cool that looks. Now below, get a piece of tape to keep this folded like so. So now your cup looks like this. That's where you're gonna take your dip and just rest it on the other side like so. And look, guys, how convenient is this? You guys, all it takes is one hand to hold. So now you can hold both your chips and your dip. It's very convenient and it works all the time, guys. Look how cool that is. Alright, so here are the fun size chips, guys. These are a small bag. I get 2 for $1 here. But here's a better way for you guys to get more for your money. Get yourself the biggest bag of chips that you guys can find. For example, right here I have a mini size of Hot Cheetos. And then right here I have the largest size of Hot Cheetos, the family size. Well, what you guys can do is, instead of buying these little ones, just buy a big bag, open it, and with some sandwich bags, start splitting the bag into different little bags. So for example, I have a bag right here, and I'm gonna add some Hot Cheetos in it. And look, I have myself one bag, which is the same amount as this little bag right here. And I can do that with more bags. And I'm telling you guys right now that you'll be getting more for your money if you do this. Simple stuff, guys. All you guys gotta do is twist it. And you guys can tie it or hold it closed with a rubber band. But now you can share this with your friends and family or save them for yourselves. This is good for portion control if you're on a diet and don't want to eat the whole bag. Because I know a lot of you guys can eat this whole bag in less than an hour, right? So this is a great way to not eat a whole bag. That way you don't get all that fat in your system. Easy stuff. Don't buy these. Buy this and split it into smaller bags. Traditionally, guys, this is how you would open a bag. Like this, right? And now you share it with your friends. They all stick their hand in there. They get their germs in there. We don't want that. We want to avoid that. And we want people to have easier access to the chips inside this bag. So what we're going to do is we're going to seal this back up. Just for this example, I'm just going to put a piece of tape over it. Just like this. Okay, so I sealed it back up. Now guys, how you would open this bag if you're at a party for your guests is the following. You flip it on its side like so, and then with a pair of scissors, you're gonna cut sideways. So you're gonna open it by its side like so. Look at that. Now the opening is bigger, but it doesn't look right. It'll just tilt on its side. So this is what you do next. Since you're at a party, most likely you'll have styrofoam cups. Well, you're just gonna cut a piece of it. You do this with 2 cups. So repeat the process. Now a cup will be on each end of the bag. So you slide it through here. And you slide it through the other side. Like so. And look how cool that looks, guys. It's a very simple way to share your chips with your friends and family. You hold it, you pinch both cups. You could go around sharing chips. And when they stick their hand in there, they're not rubbing their hand all over the chips or the bag, and they're not leaving their germs behind. You want a chip, SB?
Yup, let me get one.
I gotta warn you though, these are just regular Hot Cheetos.
That's fine.
So try this out, guys. So you got your bag of chips. You open it up, and you think you're gonna finish the whole bag, but it turns out that you weren't that hungry, and you can't really finish off the whole bag of chips. If it was me, I would definitely eat these Hot Cheetos Extra, because I just can't stand to leave some Hot Cheetos Extra open like this. So I would try to finish it off. But if you guys want to seal these back up, a good way to do that is to roll it up. So basically roll up the top. And if you have a pan handy, just use the clip of that pan to keep it sealed. Like so. Just like that. Simple way, simple method to keep your chips fresh. This right here, you guys might think it's a weird way to open up your chips. You just cut the top off when the chips are laying flat, and you guys can eat your chips like so. Share it with your friends and family. And what is this? SB, come look over here.
What's that?
What is that?
Man, I don't know, but let's find out. It's a Takis that's got spread open.
So this one isn't rolled up.
Nope.
So it's a regular chip then.
Regular chip, regular Taki.
Let me try these.
Delicious.
They are really good, guys. And there you guys have it. A bunch of life hacks to deal with chips. We all eat chips. We all love chips. So these will come in handy to you guys at any point in your life whenever you guys are eating chips. I know you enjoy this video, SB, because you get to eat those chips, right?
Oh yes, I cannot wait to stop recording so I can just
hey, stay off my Hot Cheetos though. Those are mine.
I'll see what I can do.
You can keep the Takis. The Hot Cheetos are not gonna be touched by you, man. They're
I love Hot Cheetos Extra, so I might take a few pieces, man. I love Takis, Hot Cheetos Extra.
Man, you can have the regular
spicy.
Cheetos. Just have the regular Cheetos.
Let's mix them up.
No. My Hot Cheetos are mine. My Hot Cheetos Extra, that is. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you gave it a big thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet, I hope you guys subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. If you guys want to see more life hacks, not necessarily just chips, but other types of life hacks, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you, SB, for showing up. Hopefully people go to your channel and check you out.
Check out my channel, guys. Check out my videos. I got some good stuff in there. Make sure you guys leave likes, comments. Make sure you guys like this video and future videos that are coming.
Thank you guys so much. We'll see you pranksters in the next video. And shoot, just like this. So let's put this to action right now, guys. Let me show you how fun this really is. Like this, pull down and let the spring do the work. Just like that. First shot, it went in.